Huh. 5:43 p.m. The animal is feeling good. He just had a couple of grains.
Hey, Sammy. Hello, Ginger. What are you up to?
Sue, have you ever noticed how consistently the hamsters behave?
Are you serious? No, Sammy, I've never noticed that.
I've been watching Ginger for 3 hours already, and I must say he is one smart animal. Actually, hamsters could be the aliens who came to Earth from a very distant planet.
Sammy, I can't imagine that. A flying saucer piloted by a hamster? Ooh.
It's not that funny, Susan. It could be true.
Okay, let's go and check. Wait here, Ginger, and you, Mr. Scientist, follow me straight to the craft table. Hey, guys. Today we're serving Sam's vivid imagination. We're going to create a flying saucer for the hamster. Yeah, I know.
What's with the attitude, Sue? I feel like you don't want to admit the existence of a hamster civilization in a galaxy far, far away.
Oh, Sammy, you know that I'm ready to support any of your theories, even the craziest. Could you please go find our 3D pen?
I like our 3D pen crafts. I think I saw it somewhere in the kitchen. By the way, have you already subscribed to our channel? There are lots of cool videos involving this fine tool.
The pen, Sammy! Guys, we're gonna need a half of a plastic ball like this to make the pilot's cabin. I bet you can find one in the nearest craft store. We're going to place it right in the center of our flying saucer, but first, let's mark it like this in its place. And our pilot will definitely need an entrance to his flying vehicle. Am I right? So we'll draw it right here.
Oh, Sue, you know how much I like to watch X-Files and Men in Black. Believe me, the flying saucer has to be gray.
Then gray it is, Sammy. Or rather, silver. You're the expert here. Guys, we need to make sure that all the space here is covered with plastic very well.
Yeah, it's an outer space vehicle after all.
Remember to be careful, guys, because the plastic inside this pen is very hot. You're totally gonna need patience with this stage.
Sue, this doesn't really look like a flying saucer. Or at least like a reliable one. Where's the floor?
Relax, Sammy. Everything is thought through. Does this look better to you? This will be the lower part of our flying object. The entrance is a bit smaller here, and the floor is quite sturdy.
I approve.
The next step in our craft is the pilot's cabin. We'll need a small bowl that matches this half ball in diameter. Now we need some airy, dry clay. The color doesn't matter at all. The first step is to do this.
What do you think, Sue? After finishing this craft, can we consider ourselves ufologists?
I'm not sure that ufologists actually build any unidentified flying objects.
Oh, really? Then what do you think they do, huh?
Well, these folks mainly study, these mysterious circles on the ground and talk to those people who said they saw the aliens. Be careful with scissors, guys. So ufologists collect and analyze all this data to be able to finally find the way to communicate with the dwellers of other galaxies.
I see. Then who builds flying saucers?
Apparently the aliens themselves.
Huh.
Although I once read in an article about a few attempts to build aircrafts resembling UFOs a lot. Guys, don't forget to leave some space for the entrance for our pilot right here. Okay, now we can remove our little container and add one more layer of plastic to this piece.
Come on, what happened to those man-made flying saucers, Sue?
Well, we don't use them nowadays, which means that they prove themselves inefficient. I mean, at least for civil aviation and manned spacecraft.
Just imagine traveling to Europe in a flying saucer instead of an airplane, and the alien-like flight attendant with 8 arms or 2 heads serve you lunch.
That would be fun! Guys, give a thumbs up if you also would want to see that. Now we'll need to attach the pilot's cabin to the lower part of the flying saucer. Make sure that both openings for the entrance stay aligned.
Sue, do you remember how once an alien from the Goo Goo Galaxy visited us? It was so fun to meet her and feed her. Uh-oh, I guess I'm hungry.
You're always hungry. Guys, if you missed our video Sam was just talking about, you can find it on our channel. And in order not to miss anything in the future, subscribe and hit the bell button. Perfect! Now we can attach the transparent part of the pilot's cabin like this. You can either secure it with the glue or continue working with the 3D pen, just like me.
Susan, I think you missed a few spots.
No, I didn't, Sammy. I made these holes on purpose. Check it out.
Wow.
I just recollected that flying saucers they show on TV usually have lights, so I thought that this one should also flash with these 8 LEDs.
Ain't this an awesome idea, guys? Give a thumbs up if you agree.
Now I'm gonna show you a little trick. Are you ready? Whoosh!
Cool, but does it work?
It sure does, Sammy. See? Guys, you should always ask an adult to help you with the wires. All we need is to connect the upper and the lower parts of our flying saucer properly. We'll use some more plastic and the 3D pen.
Hey, Susie, I've been thinking, after this craft, we should join some secret agency that deals with the aliens and unidentified flying objects and stuff.
Do you have anything specific on your mind?
I most certainly do. I think I'll look great in a black suit and sunglasses.
Sam, are you talking about Men in Black?
Uh-huh. I think we could work side by side. Agent Sam and Agent Sue.
But shouldn't we be called by the first letters?
All right, then we'll be S and S.
Sounds confusing, Sammy. Imagine somebody is looking for S talking about me, but then they find you. How's that gonna work?
I'm sure they'll be thrilled. Everyone's happy when they meet me.
Oh, Sammy.
Sue, do you think the Men in Black really exist as an agency?
Well, I've heard this is more like a city legend, although there are many people who believe that there are such specialists. Like, for example, Gray Barker, a writer famous for his books about UFOs and different paranormal phenomena. Actually, the story about Men in Black itself is based on a book. It's called They Knew Too Much About Flying Saucers.
Interesting. I think I must read it.
Would you mind helping me finish our craft first? I might use your brilliance.
Oh, okay. I thought we were almost done here.
Not exactly, Sammy. Look what I've got.
A jar? Do you want me to fill it with cookies?
No, our flying saucer will sit on this jar, but I really want to make an impression that it's flying at a slight angle, you know?
Say no more, Susan. Master Sam's gotcha. I'm still not sure why exactly Sue needs this jar. Stay tuned, guys, and find out with me.
There, I added a green stripe right here, and now our flying saucer looks quite bright. Don't you think so, Sammy?
Yeah, totally. Ugh. Sue, can you now explain to me why you asked me to adjust this thing?
Sure. Do you remember that mysterious taper-shaped light that often comes out from the bottom of any flying saucer? Like, for example, when the aliens fly up to somebody and then take them onto their spacecraft.
Oh, it's like on that picture when they try to kidnap a cow?
Exactly. And what a great idea with the cow, by the way.
I'll bring it to you right away.
In the meantime, I'll attach our flying saucer to the jar. Guys, be very careful with the hot glue. There we go. Now let's add more plastic to make everything look neat. This way. And one more decorative element. There we go.
Where is that thing? Nope. No, not here. Oh, come on. Has anyone seen the cow running by? Hey, Ginger, have you seen the cow? You! Ginger, you kidnapped the poor cow even without a flying saucer! That intergalactic hamster race must be even stronger than I thought! I must tell Sue about it! Susie, I must tell you! Oh, what's that?
It's just a piece of plastic grass. What's wrong?
You won't believe where I found this cow! By Ginger's cage! He took it too! He kidnapped it like an alien!
Yeah, or it was you who always forgets to put things in their places. Remember, you played with it yesterday?
Oh, right. Never mind.
Guys, we're gonna use the hot glue gun once more. So once again, be very careful with it. And now we place the whole thing on our little piece of grass like this.
It almost looked perfect too, just a tiny adjustment. Done.
Great job, Sammy! And I have one more little detail. Check this out, guys. We've made this ladder using our 3D pen. And now our pilot can easily enter his spacecraft.
Awesome, Sue! Now we can finally prove my theory about hamster aliens. Woohoo! Observations, day 4. The flying saucer has landed. Let's see how our test subject will do. Guys, meet our new pilot who's going to conquer the faraway galaxies.
Whoa, Sammy, he's headed straight to our flying saucer. Go, Ginger!
Come on, don't be afraid.
Look, he's using the stairs that we made. He's gonna be the first hamster to land on Mars.
Shoo, I'm sure Ginger is totally ready for takeoff. Woohoo!
Yay!
Oh, Shoo, this craft is amazing! If I were you, I'd share this link with all my friends and subscribe to this channel.
Yeah, Sammy, to be honest, I didn't think this flying saucer would turn out that good looking. And Ginger seems to like it. Am I right, Ginger? I think he's giving a thumbs up. Guys, I hope you liked it too. You can always find many interesting ideas on our channel. See you very soon in our next video. Bye-bye!
Don't worry, this won't hurt. Now you'll see the flash and forget everything you saw today.
Sammy!
What? I just want them to watch this video again and again.